Here the question is, why is bithionol added to soap? Bithionol is an antimicrobial compound used in soaps and other personal care products for its antimicrobial and antifungal properties. This bithionol helps in reducing or eliminating the bacteria and fungi on skin, which enhances the effectiveness of soap in preventing infections and maintaining hygiene. It also helps to control odor by preventing the growth of odor-causing bacteria. It's typically incorporated to the soaps to provide prolonged antimicrobial action and improve overall skin cleanliness. The second question is, what is tincture of iodine and write its one use? Tincture of iodine is a solution of iodine in alcohol or a mixture of alcohol and water. It is used primarily as an antiseptic. This is typically present in a concentration about 2 to 7% in the tincture. Alcohol, which helps to dissolve iodine and provides an antiseptic effect. It can be applied to the skin to disinfect the wounds and prevent infections, and it is commonly used for cleaning minor cuts, scrapes and abrasions. In the third one, different types of compounds are given. We have to choose the one which can act as a food preservative. Among these five, the one which can act as the food preservative is sodium benzoate, because it is primarily due to its antimicrobial properties. Sodium benzoate inhibits the growth of bacteria, yeast and molds. It is particularly effective in acidic environment where it converts into benzoic acid, which has the antimicrobial activity. By controlling the microbial growth, sodium benzoate helps to prevent food spoilage and extends shelf life. It is considered safe for consumption in low concentration, which is why it is widely used in various food and beverage products. Sodium benzoate has the low toxicity and making it a preferable choice for preserving food items compared to some other preservatives.